Welcome everybody to another installment of the Etnyre Video Library. In this short little video, we're going to explain how an Etnyre distributor gets its electrical power. So the first thing you need to do is locate the battery box on the truck. This one happens to be located right here. If we remove the cover of the battery box, set it off to the side here, you will see two main white wires with thermal resettable breakers on them. Now your older trucks may have black breakers on them, which will have a manual reset button on them. The white wires are for our burners. LP burners will have one white wire and a breaker, and diesel burners will have two. Then we pick up all of our 12-volt wiring from a 50 amp breaker, which is thermal reset or possibly a manual reset on older units. This wire will feed from the battery to the rear control box to another breaker on the rear control box and the emergency stop button. And then from there, it comes to the cab. So this is where an Etnyre distributor picks up all its power, is directly from the batteries. And this is on units 2009 or newer. As with any piece of equipment, please follow all the safety guidelines in the operations manual and wear the proper personal protection equipment required by your company or the state. We all want to return home safe every night, so be safe out there. You can contact your local dealer or the Etnyre factory to talk to a professional service or parts representative at the information provided on the screen. Thank you and have a good day.